Welcome back to TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2019. It's Broughton Primary, 24 points. Mayfield All Age on 14 as we head into the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams with the first to press the buzzer earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams earn 2 points for each correct answer. They lose 2 if the answer is incorrect or if they answer before being identified. This section lasts for 4 minutes. As you can see, that time is on our NCB Insurance Omni Educator clock. We begin with you teams in regional affairs. It's a visual question, so look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed. Broughton.
Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad and Tobago.
That's correct. Sports. Who won the men's singles title at the 2019 Wimbledon Tennis Championship? Broughton.
Roger Federer.
That's incorrect. It's Novak Djokovic. Bible knowledge. Jonah was sent to preach to the city of Nineveh. But which place did he head for instead? Tarshish. Science. Are the stomata usually found on the top or bottom of a leaf? Broughton.
Bottom.
Of a leaf. Bottom is correct. English language. By using the word sack, give an expression which means to go to sleep. Broughton.
To hit the sack. To hit the sack.
That's correct. Music. Which international artist recorded the single A Candle in the Wind? It was Elton John. General knowledge. What's the largest country by population in Africa? Mayfield.
Ethiopia.
That's incorrect. It's Nigeria. Television or visual question. Teams, look at the monitor and identify this person. It's Octavia Spencer. Mathematics, a soccer team played 80 games and won 30%. How many games did the team lose? It's 56. Social studies. What's the other title for the Chief Executive Officer of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation? The town clerk. Television in the comedy classic Friends. What's the name of the character played by Jennifer Aniston? It's Rachel. Sports, a visual question. Teams, look at the monitor and identify this person. It's retired NBA player Kobe Bryant. Bible knowledge, complete this beatitude as recorded in the King James Version of the Bible. Blessed are the peacemakers. Mayfield.
For they shall be called the children of God. For they shall be called the children of God.
That's right. Science. Science. Oh, I said it, so you have to answer the question, Broughton. All right. It was, do prop roots grow from the root or stem of plants? The answer is the stem. English language. Spell the pair of homonyms, which mean a hinged barrier used to close an opening in a fence and a person's manner of walking. Broughton.
G-A-T-E-G-A-I-T.
That is correct. Music. Queen Latifah is a famous American actor and singer. But what's her real name? Broughton.
Latifah Brown. Latifah Brown.
That's incorrect. It's Dana Elaine Owens. General knowledge. Which car manufacturer produces the CR-V model of Broughton?
Honda.
Model of vehicles, Honda is correct. Local affairs, who is the opposition spokesman on education in Jamaica? Mayfield.
Ronald Waits.
That's incorrect. It's Peter Bunting. Mathematics. A boy scored 18 out of 40 on his math test. What was his percentage score? And we can't finish that question. That bell signifies the end of the match with Broughton Primary on 28 points, Mayfield All Age on 12. That means hearty congratulations to you, Broughton Primary, and well played, Mayfield All Age. Stay with us. We wrap things up when we get back.